Hello students, third exercise before up to 7 problems completed. Now 8th question, see this diagram. In the figure given below, in that line segments here parallel lines. For that find x and y values. In the given figure, they given in that here 59 degrees, here 60 degrees, here exterior angles they given, here x degrees, y degrees. Find x and y. Here observe these two parallel lines, means expand like this. They give an arrow symbol. For that these two parallel lines, this is a transversal line like image. From the figure, x degrees equal to 60 degrees. Here these two are equal. Why? Because corresponding angles. So we know that corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. Here these two places are corresponding angles. So x equal to 60 degrees and y equal to these two 59 degrees. Y equal to 59. What are these angles? Alternate interior angles. Y equal to 59 degrees. Why? Because here alternate interior angles. So we know that alternate interior angles are equal, means y equal to 59 degrees, x equal to 60 degrees. Therefore x equal to 60 degrees and y equal to 59 degrees. Ninth question, the given figure. In that figure, find the values of x and y. See this figure. In this figure, they given arrow symbols here, means these two are parallel lines. Here they given 35 degrees, x degrees, y, here 105. Here arrow symbols observe these two parallel lines. This is transversal line. Like here, in the figure given 35 degrees and y and opposite angles of 105 degrees from, means from 105 to 35 and y opposite angles, means these two opposite angles here given, right? Given from a straight line. Straight angle, otherwise straight angle means this total straight angle. This opposite here means this total, this opposite 105 opposite this total straight line means a straight angle. We get 180 degrees, like 35 degrees plus y degrees plus 105 equal to 180 degrees. Opposite angles are equal, means up to here also 105 here. 35 plus 105 plus y degrees, we get total 180 degrees. Now y equal to, here 105 plus 35 we get 140. 180 minus 140 will get 40 degrees. Y equal to 40. Then now find x and y angles. X degrees equal to y degrees. Why? Because that corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. We know that corresponding angles are equal. Means now x we get, y value we get 40, x also 40. X degrees equal to 40 degrees. Now therefore x equal to 40 and y equal to 40. Here 10th question, find the value of x and y from the figure. See this one, x and y from the figure. They given arrow symbols. Observe these two parallel lines. Here these two parallel lines. We know that student actually before going to problems, very important, first to learn the concept part, means part 1 and 2 learn. After then only understand these problems. So answer from the figure, 120 plus z equal to 180 degrees. Here observe this total straight line. Why? Because this is straight line, otherwise linear pair. We know that linear pair means sum equal to 180 degrees. Sum equal 180 degrees means 120 plus z equal to 180. Then z equal to 180 minus 120. Z equal to 60 degrees. And also observe corresponding angles here, x, z, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Means therefore x equal to z. Why? Because corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Then z equal to 60, x also 60 degrees. X equal to 60. Now then x equal to 3y plus 6. Here x equal to 3y plus 6. Why? Because these also corresponding angles. This places observe one exterior angle, one interior angle. These two corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So we know that corresponding angles are equal. Means these two places are equal. X equal to 3y plus 6. Then x equal to, we know that 60 degrees. 3y plus 6 equal to 60. Here 3y plus 6 equal to x. X place 60. 3y equal to 60 minus 6. 3y equal to 54. Then y equal to 54 by 3. Do cancellation, will get 18 degrees. Y equal to 18 degrees. Therefore, we get three values, x equal to 60 degrees and y equal to 18 degrees. And z also 60 degrees. They are asking only find x and y. X and y. 60 degrees, 18 degrees. 11th question, from the figure find x and y values. See this one. They given x 65 degrees, 52. Here arrows. Arrows they given in the two parallel lines. Arrow symbol place, that is parallel lines. Here this symbol 90 degrees. Then what they given from figure 2, we know that x plus 65 plus 52 equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because that angles co-interior. Co-interior angles sum equal to 180 degrees. Like that x plus 117 equal to 180. 65 plus 52, 117. Then x equal to 180 minus 117. We'll get 63 degrees. For that, again another condition, 52 plus 90 plus 3y plus 5. 52, 90, 3y plus 5. We know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. So, sum of property of triangles. We know that this is one of the triangle. In this 52 plus 90 plus 3y plus 5. In that sum equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Like that here 52 plus 90 will get 142 plus 3y plus 5 equal to 180. Now 3y plus 142 plus 5. 147 equal to 180. 3y equal to 180 minus 147. 3y equal to 180 minus 147 will get 3y equal to 33, y equal to 33 by 3. Here multiply that, send that side. We'll get y value 11 degrees. We know that x equal to 63. Here we get x equal to 63, y equal to 11. Therefore, x equal to 63, y equal to 11 degrees.